So I'm in my backyard. I've been doing gardening for the last month and a half. I put my painting projects on hold. Right now I'm repainting the upstairs, and I've been really in the mood for gardening and not in the mood for painting. So I've been running back and forth to Home Depot getting flowers and topsoil and garden soil, and cleaning out all my flower beds in the backyard, doing a little bit in the front yard, and planting my flowers. So I'm going to show you guys how it's coming out. It looks so pretty, and I just love gardening. So I'll show you my flowers that I planted just recently in the front. Looks so nice. Then over here, I planted all these impatiens. Those look gorgeous. With my roses. And these bulbs. I absolutely love these things. And the hummingbirds love these. And all my roses over here blooming. And recently I planted these. These are really pretty. And then here's more of those bulbs. And then these, the bees go absolutely nuts for these. Look at the bees. Here's a butterfly. So here's my backyard. Did some of these flowers that I did in the front and the back. These are zucchini. And this tomato plant I just planted like 2 weeks ago, and it's growing like crazy. And I planted some more flowers. So pretty. They're so nice. Then over here, more flowers. This is the other side of the yard. Another plumeria. More impatiens. Then over here, I planted more impatiens because this area doesn't get much sun at all. It's pretty much shady all day. It's really nice. These just bloomed, gorgeous yellow roses. And look at the butterflies. Look at all my white roses and the butterflies. And these white roses look beautiful.